So our today example is about NCV level 4 integration. So to be able to solve this this integration, you must refer to a formula sheet. So according to formula 27, to integrate sec, you divide the constant and sec will change to tar, which it will be equals to, which it will be equals to 3. You put this 3 exactly the way it is, you divide it by 2, then sec will change to tar. Then you write exactly the way it is, 2x plus. To solve this one, you're going to check formula number 24. You'll write 2 exactly the way it is, e exponent 3x, you divide by the constant of x. You just check the formula. So to integrate this one, you are going to check formula number 23, which it say our constant ln x plus c. So let me explain this one. If you have to integrate 1 over x dx, so if you try to change x to the numerator, you are going to do it like this: x negative 1 dx. And the law of integration, you don't integrate an x with an exponent of negative 1, because it's going to give you 0. Remember, if you add 1 here, it will give you 0. That's why we don't integrate an x with exponent of negative 1. Wherever you see x with negative 1, change it to this one. Then you apply formula number 23, which states we multiply by a constant, which our constant is 1, then ln x. If here it was a 2, that means here it was going to be 2. I think all of you do understand here. So here is our final answer. Integration is simple as long as you keep on checking your formula sheet. So we're going to do our last example, which is 5.1.4. So our 5.1.4, it will be as follows. If you integrate an expression with limit here, it is simple also. Firstly, try to simplify whatever it is in the bracket before you integrate. So here we're going to have equals to x divided by x is 1. 1 divided by x is plus 1 over x dx. So the following step we're going to integrate. Then when we integrate, wherever you see a constant with no variable, you multiply it by x. When you multiply 1 by x, we're going to have x. Here you are going to use formula number 23, as I explained it, which it will be, you multiply constant by ln x, which it will be as like ln x, then 2 1. So to deal with this limit, always you must remember that the upper limit must be on your left side and the lower limit must be at your right side. Wherever you see x on your right side, on your left side, you replace it by 2. That means here we are going to have 2 plus ln 2 minus. Now you subtract it by the lower limit here. So when you subtract, wherever you see x, you put 1. That means it will be 1 plus ln 1. Therefore, you punch on your calculator. If you see 2 plus ln 2 is equals to round your answer to 3 decimal place, 2,693 minus, you punch this one on your calculator, 1 plus ln 1, which is 1. Then if you subtract this one, we are going to have 1. We subtract 1 here, we are going to have 1,693. This is our final answer on integration in CV level 4. Please follow, subscribe. Thank you.